Good morning, Miss Eka Yuliana, and good morning, everyone. First of all, thank you for giving us the opportunity to present our design thinking project. Before we begin, I would like to introduce our team members. My name is Shifa Hudonisa.
My name is Afifah Humarat Funisa.
My name is Dia Lintang Nur Harini.
My name is Rizal Gipari.
My name is Kevin Satrio Kusumo.
Okay, today we are going to present our project called Safe Ride. I will start by explaining the background of our project and why we created this idea. As we all know, online transportation has become a part of our daily life. As students, we often use ride-hailing service because they are practical, affordable, and easy to access. But even though they make our life easier, many users still don't feel completely safe during their journey. From our own experience, and also from many stories that we often see on social media and online news, there are still many cases where passengers feel uncomfortable while using online transportation. Sometimes the driver takes a different route. Sometimes passengers feel unsafe because they are traveling alone, and in some cases, there are even incidents of harassment. Because of that, our team wanted to understand this problem better. We interviewed several online transportation users, and interestingly, most of them shared the same concern. They wanted a feature that could make them feel safer, especially when traveling at night or when they were alone. One thing that we found during our research is that when an emergency happens, people often panic and don't have enough time to contact their family or explain their situation. So, we thought, what if there was a system that could automatically ask for help and share the user location? That's why we create SafeRide. SafeRide is not another online transportation app. Instead, it is an independent safety companion app that can be used together with any ride-hailing service. Before starting a trip, users can set up their emergency contacts. So if something unexpected happens, the people close to them can immediately receive a notification and know where the user is. Our goal is simple. We want users to feel safer and more confident whenever they use online transportation. Now, I would like to invite my teammates to explain how we developed this idea through the design thinking process and also demonstrate our safe ride prototype in more detail. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Shifa. Now I would like to explain the design thinking process that we use to develop SafeRide. The first stage is empathize. We conducted observation, interviews, and review and discussion on social media to understand user experience when using online transportation service. We found that many users still feel unsafe, especially when traveling alone or at night. They also felt that existing safety features are not proactive enough during emergencies. The second stage is define. Based on our findings, we identified several key problems, such as limited safety support, lack of real-time monitoring, and difficulty accessing emergency assistance. We then used the how might we method to turn these problems into opportunities for innovation. The third stage is idea. Our team brainstormed various solutions and organized them into several categories, including safety monitoring, emergency response, AI assistance, and user experience. From these ideas, we selected SafeRide as our final solution. The fourth stage is prototype. We transformed our ideas into an interactive prototype using Figma. At this stage, we developed the features such as safety dashboard, real-time monitoring, and the SOS emergency feature. Finally, we conducted testing with 5 participants who regularly use online transportation service. The results shows that users found the prototype easy to use and helpful in improving their sense of safety. They also provided suggestions for future improvements, especially regarding the SOS feature and user guidance. Through these five design thinking stages, we developed SafeRide as a solution that provided additional safety and protection for online transportation users. The next will explain with my friends.
Okay, after identifying the problems faced by users, we try to explore possible solution opportunities using the how might we or HMW method. Please, Shiva, show the table. Okay, this HMW question help us think beyond the problem itself and focus on how we could improve user safety experience. Through this process, we identified several opportunities related to emergency Okay, the empathy map help us understand what users think, feel, hear, and experience during their journeys. From this analysis, we found that many users often feel anxious when traveling alone and want reassurance, protection, and quick access to support whenever they need it. This insight become the foundation for developing our solution. Switch to affinity diagram, please. After understanding the user's needs, we generated various ideas through brainstorming sessions. To organize these ideas, we used an affinity diagram. This allowed us to group similar ideas into several categories, such as safety monitoring, emergency response, and AI assistance, user experience, and additional features. By grouping the ideas, we were able to identify which solutions were the most relevant and valuable for users. Kevin, please show explanation of grouping ideas. Yes, yes. Okay, based on the HMW analysis, empathy map, and affinity diagram, we selected SafeRide as our final solution. SafeRide was designed to address the key concern identified during our research by providing continuous safety support before, during, and after a journey. And once the solution had been determined, we mapped how users would interact with SafeRide throughout their journey. Therefore, I will now hand over the presentation to Riza, who will explain the customer journey map. Please, Riza.
Before journey, this step describes the activity user perform before starting their trip. User open SafeRide in application, enter their destination, review driver information, and set up trusted emergency contact. This feature help user feel more prepared and secure before the journey begins. During journey, this step focus on the user experience while traveling. SafeRide provide real-time location tracking and allow user to share their trip status with trusted contact. This feature ensure that family members or friends can monitoring the journey, giving a user a greater sense of safety and confidence. Now, emergency station situation. This stage repress situation where user may feel unsafe or encounter an emergency during the trip. SafeRide offer an emergency SOS button that we can access instantly. When activated, the system send the user live location and emergency alert to trusted contact or relevant outlets, enabling a faster response and increasing user protection. SafeRide features. This selection highlight the key features of by SafeRide, including emergency source, live location sharing, trusted contact, trip monitoring, and trip history. These features work together to enhance user safety before, during, and after journey, providing a more secure and reliable.
Is testing result. Based on testing result, participant we are to able complete to main text successfully. The SOS alert, track help, and emergency contact feature receive positive feedback because they help user feel safer during the journey. Most participants also found the application easy to understand and navigate. However, they suggested improving the visibility of the SOS button and ending guidance for first-time user. And the next is conclusion. In conclusion, SafeRide was developed to improve passenger safety in online transportation. Based on user testing, the prototype was considered usefully easy to use and able to increase user sense of security. There are still several improvements needed. SafeRide shows strong potential as a safety companion application for online transportation user. The next Siva.
All right, that's all for our presentation. We hope that SafeRide can become an innovation solution to improve passenger safety in online transportation. Thank you to Ms. Eka Juliana and all of our friends for your attention. See you and have a great day.
This is SafeRide, a safety-first transportation application designed to improve user protection before, during, and after a journey. Before entering the application, users are introduced to the key benefits of SafeRide, including safer travel, trip protection, and emergency support features. User can create an account or log in to access SafeRide service and personalize their safety preference. One of the most important features is emergency contact setup. Users can register trusted contacts who will automatically receive alerts if an emergency occurs. After logging in, users are directed to the home dashboard. This page provides access to transportation service, safety monitoring, emergency support, and AI assistance. Next, we will demonstrate the AI assistant features. SafeRide includes an AI assistant that helps users understand safety features, emergency procedure, and travel recommendation. This feature provides quick guidance whenever users need assistance. Users can book transportation by entering their pickup and destination location. The interface is designed to be simple and easy to use. Before starting the trip, SafeRide activates protection service, including live monitoring, emergency contact alerts, and real-time location sharing. During the trip, users can monitor their journey in real time through the track help features. Emergency contacts can also receive location updates to ensure the user safety. If an emergency situation occurs, user can activate the SOS button with single tap. The system is immediately sends an emergency alert together with the user's live location. Registered emergency contacts receive notification and can quickly respond to the user's situation. After reaching the destination safely, the system displays a trip summary containing journey information and safety status. Users are rewarded for actively using SafeRide safety features. Safety points encourage users to maintain safe travel behavior and engage with the platform. In conclusion, SafeRide integrates emergency assistance, real-time monitoring, AI support, and emergency contact management into a single platform. Through these features, SafeRide aims to provide a safer and more reliable transportation experience for users.